we'll start on number 2 in your note packet. Okay. Students love to put ranch dressing on everything. So Elvira needs to keep plenty in stock. The students eat about 2.25 gallons of ranch each day. That's a lot of ranch. Okay. Elvira started the school year with 130 gallons of ranch dressing. She needs to have at least 20 gallons left when she reorders to have enough in stock until the new order comes. For how many days will her ranch dressing supply last before she needs to reorder? Okay? All right. So what do we want as our variable? D for dressing?
For days.
For days? D for days. Okay, so because we're finding how many days that it's going to take. Okay, so D is going to be the number of days. Okay. All right, let's come up with an inequality. Anybody want to start us out? Bless you.
Thank you. Oh, 130 minus 2.25 D is greater than or equal to 20.
Do we agree with that?
Sure.
Where did you get the 130 from?
She starts with 130 gallons.
She starts with 130 gallons. Okay, where did you get the 2.25 D from?
Because they eat 2.25 gallons a day.
A day, and it's subtraction because
Because they're taking away that much.
they're eating it, they're using it. Yep. Okay. Right. And where did you get the 20 from?
She needs 20 gallons left at least.
20 gallons left at least, and so we want the amount of gallons that we have in stock. That would be this, the left side, right?
Mhm.
We want that to be greater than or equal to 20. Yep. Love it. Okay. All right. So there is our inequality. Now we got to solve it.
Minus 130
Minus 130.
on both sides.
So that's going to be negative 2.25 D is greater than or equal to
Negative 110.
negative 110. Do we agree with that so far? Okay. What are we going to do next?
Divide by negative 2.25.
What are you talking about there, Owen?
Switch that boy.
Why?
Dividing or multiplying by a negative.
We're multiplying or dividing by a negative, so automatically our inequality has to flip. Okay? So automatically that flips. 110 divided by 2.25 is how much?
48.889. 8 repeat.
Okay?
Chillax on. Chillax.
No.
Okay. So will they have enough ranch for the 49th day?
No.
No. So that means that our final answer then would be
48.
D is less than or equal to 48
Days.
days. Okay. Describe words, the quantities that would work for this situation.
Elvira.
For 48 days, it's below 20 gallons. There you go. One way up next.
Okay. So sometime before or between 0 and 48 days, she's got to reorder. And then it would would reset. Then the day's counter would reset then once the order comes in.
Elvira has to reset has to
Reorder
supply on the 48th. After the
before the 48th day.
Before?
Before, because she's got at most 48 days worth of supply.
Oh. So before the
Before 48 days. Yep. Good? Okay. Let's jump to number 6.
number 6. Number 7.
Each student who buys a school lunch pays $2.75. The cafeteria typically brings in between $1,168.75 and $1,438.25 each day. How many students does the cafeteria usually serve in a day? Okay. What do we want to go with for our variable? S? That's one of our 5s, right, isn't it? Yeah. And then L's the other. L's another one of the 5s. Ooh.
No.
My goodness.
Okay, so let's pick one.
Oh.
Just
And
Y.
T.
What?
For meals.
B as in boy.
T.
That looks like a
Okay,
6.
I heard B as in boy first.
No, T is in plus. T is in the plus.
I heard B as in boy first. Alright.
I like it.
So that's going to be the number of students or number of lunches served, right? Okay. So how do I know how much money they bring in, or how do I want to say this? What would, in the inequality, what would the amount of money that they make a day on lunches, what would that look like?
Would that be 1,000?
Nope, just the amount of money that they're bringing in on lunches, not the numbers that we got yet. It'd be 2.75B. Okay, that's the amount of money they take in. Each lunch that they sell costs $2.75. So that's how much money they make. Okay, now that number is sandwiched in between 1,168.75 and 1,438.25. So this is what is called a compound inequality, meaning there are 2 inequalities in the one equation.
Looks like a domain. Like the first time we did it.
Kind of, yeah. Now when we did inequalities for domains. Yep. Okay. All right. Now here's the kicker. We can solve this, and that's fine. Whatever we do, remember the golden rule of algebra? Whatever you do on one side of an equation, you got to do on the other side. Okay. Well, now there's 3 sides to this one. Okay. So whatever we do in one part, we have to do in all parts. Okay? So if I want to get B by itself right here in the middle, what am I going to do?
Divide by 2.75.
Divide by 2.75. So if I'm going to divide here by 2.75, then I have to divide here by 2.75, and I have to divide here by 2.75 because I've got to do the same thing in all of those spots. With me on that? Okay. And are you calculating the left one or the right one? What do you got? 425? Anybody calculate the right one?
52 or 523.
523? Annie, you got a confused look on your face. 1438.25 divided by 2.75? 523? Yep, okay. All right. So that would be my solution then. So they serve between, typically, they serve between 425 and 523 lunches. Questions, comments, concerns, clarifications? Good? On the next page, you've got some takeaways.
Holy guacamole.
I got this guy's on the table. You did it.
I'm just looking to see. Okay.
Julius took it from.
Did he take it away? He took away your takeaway?
Just take it away.
So I'll give you a few minutes here to copy those down, then I'll talk about that.
Oh.
Wow.
So one of your homework questions this evening is going to be, what's the difference between solving an inequality and an equation? Okay? And we add and subtract terms from both sides, just like solving an equation in an inequality. We do the same. We multiply and divide in an inequality the same way, except the only difference between an equation and an inequality is this middle one right here, where we have to reverse the inequality when we multiply or divide by a negative number. Okay? That's the only thing that's different between solving an equation and an inequality, is we have to reverse that if we multiply or divide by a negative number. Okay? We talked a little bit about two inequalities, and that being a compound inequality. Okay?
Oh, so this is from 4.4.
Okay? Your homework this eve is 4.5. It is on pages 16 to 18. It will be due tomorrow. I remind you also that Friday, not tomorrow, but Friday, we will be having another quiz. And your test will be a week from tomorrow.